is counting votes after its massive 7-phase election came to an end on Saturday. Early trends suggest the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party, led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, may not win a majority on its own. According to the latest trends, the BJP may need the support of its allies to form the next government. The opposition, led by the Indian National Congress, is making gains. Despite this, Prime Minister Modi has claimed that the BJP will form the next government. To win a majority, a party or coalition needs 272 seats in the 543-member Lok Sabha, the lower house of India's parliament. Exit polls had predicted a third consecutive term for Prime Minister Modi. The Election Commission has dismissed opposition concerns over vote counting, saying a record 642 million voters cast their ballots in the election. We will continue to bring you updates as the votes are counted and the final results are announced. Israel has confirmed that 4 captives held in Gaza were likely killed during air raids several months ago. The men, aged 51 to 84, were being held by Hamas in southern Gaza. The news may increase pressure on Israel's government to agree to a ceasefire with Hamas. The Israeli military has not provided details, citing an ongoing investigation. The development comes as the US pushes for a ceasefire agreement, which includes a prisoner exchange and humanitarian aid to Gaza. The UN Security Council is expected to consider a new resolution to end the fighting. The Islamabad High Court has stayed the execution of 5 former Navy officers sentenced to death by a general court-martial. The officers argued they were denied legal assistance and access to documents related to their case. The court order states that the officers' lawyers were not provided with necessary documents, including the abstract of evidence and court of inquiry. An appeal was filed without access to these documents and was dismissed. The Assistant Attorney General argued that the Chief of Naval Staff has the authority to withhold documents, citing Rule 193 of the Pakistan Navy Rules. However, the court questioned how the state's interests can be balanced against the individual's right to life and due process. The court has directed the Navy to file the Chief of Naval Staff's opinion within 3 weeks, along with the reasoning. The case has been adjourned until 1 July.